yesterday sir has completed the mechanical system. The next one is the mathematical model of electrical system. So mathematical equations means, you know, no? See, if you want to develop any prototype model or any product, you have to test no before making any after making any design, whether it will work or not. You have to test no before making any product. So for that, we need some equation that is called mathematical models. Okay. Before making any model after designing, we are going to test using the mathematical models. That's why we use mathematical equations. In that, there are different types of systems are there in the mathematical models of system. One is mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and thermal system. So mechanical system that was explained. So the basic elements of mechanical systems are spring, mass, and damper. Is it right? So similarly, what are the basic elements of electrical system? Can you chart someone of in the chat box? What are the basic elements of electrical system like a mechanical system? Can you chart? Okay, resistance, then capacitance, then inductance. Thank you, Ria. Except Ria, nobody is there in class. I will call your name, okay? Just you should say yes, good morning, okay? Otherwise, I'll mark you absent. Abhimanyu, absent. Adityana Sagar, are you there? Absent. Ajit Anil, absent. Akil Rahman, you should unmute and say good morning. Yes. Akil Rahman.
Sir, Aditya Kumar, present, sir.
Albin.
Yes, sir.
Alex. Alex Alton. Alex KR. Anand. Ashwin Matthew. Ankit. Atul. Bijoy. That shows your interest, and I'll came to know. Now I will get the attendance from your chat box. That's all. Okay. Whenever I ask question, everyone should respond. If you don't know, say don't know. Okay. Then that is your attendance. So the basic elements of mechanical systems are resistor, inductor, and capacitor. So at the end of this, these are the basic elements of electrical system: resistor, inductor, and capacitor. So we know that what is the resistor symbol? This is the resistor symbol. So resistor, the characteristics of resistor will be resistance. So that is will be R. Sibian, I didn't call you, okay? Whenever I ask question, that time you respond. I will not get only from your answer only you'll get the attendance. So this is the resistor. The characteristics of resistor will be resistance. So what happens with resistor? Resistor will absorb the energy and dissipate it. Okay. So resistance will be denoted by capital R, and voltage V is the input, and current will be flowing on the resistor. So you should know. I told you there are the basic elements: resistor, inductor, and capacitor. So each three element, like a mechanical system, there will be a differential equation as well as the Laplace transform. Kindly note down this differential equation. At the end of each chapter, I will ask upload to your notes, because it is purely numerical subject except first chapter. You should maintain the notebook. Kindly note down whatever I'm going slowly. Okay. You should maintain the notes. That is your CA, one of the CA component, your class notes. So that's why now only I will come to know, okay, while evaluating one by one, your handwriting, everything I will be observed. We can easily identify. You cannot get it from someone, you can't upload, okay? Kindly maintain your notebook, note down this equation. The differential equation for the resistor will be V is equal to I into R. V is equal to I into R. So note down this equation. The Laplace domain we represent. So small v becomes capital V and A becomes capital I of S and R will be the constant. So this is the Laplace domain. Kindly note on these two equations. Differential equation for resistor will be V is equal to I into R. So after taking the Laplace transform, V of S is equal to A of S into R. Okay, done? Is it done? Will I move forward? Have you noted down these two equations? It's very important, okay? Without this, you cannot write the, so you cannot solve the problem. Thank you. Then next will be inductor. Inductor represented by capital L. Okay, the inductance we represented by capital L. So this is the symbol for the inductor. You know that. So the characteristic constant of this element is inductance. Okay, inductor will stores energy in the electromagnetic form. So what is the differential equation for the inductor? Kindly note on this equation. Whenever the inductor comes, this is the differential equation. V is equal to L di by dt. And note down the Laplace domain. V of S is equal to L constant d by dt becomes S. Small I becomes I of S. Okay, this is the Laplace domain for the inductor. Kindly note down these two equations. So note down the symbol, differential equation and Laplace domain. That's enough. These are all ready reference. Okay, while studying you easily can. That's why I'm telling kindly maintain notebook. You should practice. Simply listening, it's waste because this is numerical subject. Along with me, you also do it. I need answer from problems from your side. So I hope you copied this. Next one is will be capacitor. Capacitor C. So symbol for the capacitor will be this is. So characteristics of capacitor also defined by law. It states that voltage drops across the capacitor is proportional integral of current through it. So that is how we define the capacitor or capacitor. C is the capacitance. Okay. The differential equation for the capacitor will be V is equal to 1 by C integral of I of t into dt. Kindly note down this differential equation 1 by C integral of I of t into dt. The Laplace domain for the above equation we represented by V of S is equal to 1 by C is the constant integral. Integral will be 1 by S means so, and I of t becomes capital I of S. So this is the differential equation and Laplace transform of the capacitor. Kindly note down these two equations. See, if you know these three equations for resistor, inductor, and capacitor, easily can solve the mathematical models of the electrical system. I hope you copied this. Shall we move further? Okay, thank you. Yeah, kindly note on the first problem. Everyone copy to your notebook. Along with me, you also solve it. So this is the given electrical network or electrical circuit. We need to find out the transfer function. Transfer function means you know that. What is transfer function? Can you chart someone? Transfer function. Very good, Riya. Others? Chirag Malhotra, can you unmute? Chirag? Chirag, can you unmute? Yeah, can you unmute Chirag? I
Yes,
want
sir.
to. Yeah. Now this is the electrical net. Transfer function means you know that, no? Laplace
Yes, sir, it's
transform of output
output by
divided by
input.
Laplace transform of input. Okay.
Output, yes.
Now this is the given electrical network. Here, how many loops are there?
Sir,
Loops?
it's single loop.
No, I'll tell you. There are two loops. Listen here.
Yes.
This is the one loop. This is called as input loop. Okay. And this will be the another loop. This is called the output loop. Got it, Chirag? There are
Two loops.
two loops. One is input loop and output. So let us write the differential equation for the input loop. Input loop means what are the elements connected? Can you tell, Chirag?
Sir,
What are
one inductor, capacitor,
Okay.
resistor.
Resistor. Now you know, no, just now I told what are the differential equation for each element. What is the input here we giving for the input loop?
E1 of t.
EI of
EI
t,
of
not
t.
even. EI of
EI
t
of
equal to, that is the input. And what is the differential equation for the inductor?
Sir, one minute.
Differential equation. You can look at your notebook. Not noted, copied.
No, sir.
No, guys. See, now how will you solve the without copying that equations?
Oh, sorry, sir. Inductor,
Just now, previous slide. Copy.
sir,
If
I'll
it is
start
those
copying
are not
now.
copied. That's why I know that you guys just copy these equations. For resistor, what is the differential equation? Oh, I'm keep on stressing on that. Why you are not following? Copy this inductor. Those who are not copied. You can unmute. You can mute Chira.
Okay, sir.
Chaitya Shah. Can you unmute Chaitya? Chaitya Shah, can you unmute? He's not there. Yeah, can you unmute Chaitya? Unmute your microphone. I'm not able to hear your voice. Are you there? You are unmuted, but I'm not able to hear your voice. Okay, fine. Neelima, can you unmute? Neelima, are you there? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Chaitya, I'm not able to. Yeah, okay, fine. Have you copied these equations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? Yes, right? Neelima, you can unmute. Okay, no need to mute again. Just unmute and be there. Himani, are you there? Himani, are you there? Himani Agwani. Okay. I mark absent those who are not responding. I need Prakriti. Can you unmute Prakriti? Prakriti, are you there?
So good morning, sir.
Who is that?
So Prakriti.
Yeah. Now have you copied, right? Differential equation. Yes or no? No, sir. Okay, you can mute. Shows your interest. Imani, are you there? Yeah, now you can unmute. Imani. Okay. Don't respond. Okay, immediately I'll give after the class. Immediately I'll give one question. Immediately I'll upload in the Moodle. Okay, fine. So now there are two loops. I will explain whether you will understand or not because you are not following whatever I'm telling. That is simply if you're listening, you will not get it also. So there are two loops we call as input loop and you know that output loop. Okay, these are all the basic elements. So for the input loop, what are the elements connected? One is the inductor, another will be capacitor, another will be the resistor. Let us write the differential equation for the input loop. Input, I will write EI of t is the input equal to, what is the differential equation for the inductor? L di by dt. What is the differential equation for the capacitor? 1 by c integral of I of t into dt. What is the differential equation for the resistor? I of t into R. Okay, we know that these are all the differential equation for the what are the element connected to the input loop for the given input loop. So let us take the Laplace transform. After taking Laplace transform, I already given these equations directly. It is ready-made formulas. Just substitute it and take the Laplace transform. So what is the I of s is common. You take it outside, call equation number 1. Here I of s is common, take it outside. Now call this is equation number 1. Okay. Now one more loop is there. What is the loop? Output loop. Output loop is, what are the output loop? Which are all the elements connected? Can you chart? Only R, right? So for the output loop, only R is connected. That means what is the output? E naught of t. So let us write the differential equation for the output loop. What happened here? E naught of t is equal to I into R. Is it right? This is the differential equation for the output loop. Only R is connected. Just look at the diagram, given network. So take the Laplace transform. If we take Laplace transform, small e naught of t is equal to e naught of s. I of t becomes I of s. Call equation number 2. What we want, what they asked in the question, find the transfer function e naught of s divided by s. We require that. That is means transfer function. Now here input is ei of t, output is e naught of t. We need transfer function is Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input. That means E naught of s divided by EI of s. That means how will you get it? Do it equation number 2 divided by 1. Do it all of you. Equation number 2 divided by 1, do it. What is the final answer will get? What is the final answer will get? You will get the final answer. So I of s, will get cancelled. Take LCM, simplify, you'll get CS R divided by CLS plus RCS plus 1. Take the LCM here. Yeah, it get cancelled. Look at the equation, you get the final answer. Okay, note down, do it your Yeah. So this is the final transfer function, final answer. Did you understand, all of you? Say yes or no in the chat box. At least for this you answer. Did you understand, all of you? See, this is the simplest, okay? If you know this concept, this differential equation, everything, one more topic is there, analogous system. That will be easy. That's why I'm asking. These are all the basics. Okay, thank you. At least 5% I got the response. So let us move for the second question. You do it yourself, sir, now. Yeah. With this question. Now I need answer from you guys. Copy this second question. Simple circuit. Who will answer? I'll ask answer from the automobile students. Let's see. Vardhan Reddy, are you there? Can you mute? Unmute? Sorry, can you unmute Vardhan Reddy? Vardhan Reddy. You're absent, sir. Indrajit PS, are you there? Indrajit PS. Vardhan Reddy, yeah, you unmute, sir. If you are there, means. Can you unmute Vardhan? Deepak John, are you there? Deepak John. No, sir. Simply logged in and went somewhere. Godwin, are you there? Godwin PJ. Godwin, are you there? Ashwath Krishna, are you there? Ashwath Krishna, 525. Nobody is there. Very bad response, guys. Seriously. Atul Roy, are you there? Atul Roy. Thanks for your attendance, sir. Thank you so much for your response. So you are all absent. Who will tell now? Who will guide me to write the differential equation to obtain the transfer function? Yeah, Ria. Ria, can you unmute? Ria Babu,
Hello, sir.
can you unmute? Yeah. How many loops are there here in this question? How many loops are there here?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me how many loops are there?
So there are two loops.
Okay, there are two loops, no? Yeah, this is the input loop and this will be the output loop.
Output
For
loop,
the
sir.
input loop, which are the which are the input?
So for
what are the
input, there
inputs?
are L and C, capacitance and inductance, sir.
Very good. So only L and C is connected. So differential
Yes.
equation will be ER is equal to
L
LdI
D.
by dt plus. Yeah.
1 by C.
So we know that these are all the direct differential equation. We know that for each element. Now take the Laplace transform. So
LSI
same
of
way.
this.
Yeah. Yeah. For the output loop, what are the elements connected?
Sir, R and C, resistance and capacitance.
R and C. Is it right? C is the common for both input loop as well as
Input and
output loop.
output loops.
Yeah. So after taking, take the Laplace transform. This will be the second call equation number 2. Do it. So final answer will get the.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Oh, many of you responded. Thank you, Ria. You can mute. Are you clear? Have you got this answer, all of you? Yes or no? Shall we move next problem? Okay, thank you. So next problem I'll give homework. Okay, you do it because simple problem. See, prove that E naught of S divided by EI of S equal to 1 divided by tau 1 tau 2 S square plus tau 1 plus tau 2 plus tau 1 2 S plus 1. Where what is tau 1, what is tau 2, they given. Tau 1 2, what is that? So this is the given network. This is the given electrical network. Okay, copy this all of you. Can you tell me how many loops are there here? How many loops are there in this question? Yeah, I'll do that. 3, right? 3. Yeah, very good. So now we'll get the 3 equations. Just I'll show the what I have done. You practice yourself. Okay. You have to upload in the Moodle. I'll give the link for to upload this question. So let us. Yeah. See if for the first loop R1 C1 connected. No R1 C1 equation written. Take Laplace transform for the loop 2. See this intermediate loop. No input is 0. See here there is no input for the loop 2. Loop 2 is having I2. Can you go through the first equation? Here C1 is common for both input loop and output loop, but I1 previous problem what is current is common for both the loops. So in this question only two current, I1 current and I2 current is there. Now C1 is common. No, just look at the first equation, I1 minus I2, because I consider the first loop first. I consider the first loop. In this here C1 is common. Here I1 current is there, I2 current is there. So I1 minus I2. You're doing no in the ferromechanical is the same way. And R1 is connected to only I1 current. So that's why R1 into I1. So come to this second equation. Again, C1 is common for both I1 and I2. Look at here, C1 into I2 minus I1 because I consider the I2 loop. Got it? So I2 minus I1. You did in mechanical, no? Same way. Are you clear? Anybody has any doubt? You can practice yourself at later. Did you understand the concept? When the two currents are different? Kindly confirm others. Okay, fine. So similarly for the third one is only C2 is there. So that is here you have to take it, you do it on simplification, nothing is there here. 3 equations are there. So I1 you equate, I1 you substitute in the I2 equation, then you simplify, you'll get the final answer. You do it, you'll get the final answer. You verify, tomorrow you tell me the answer. Let us go for the previous slides. Your friends are asking. You can note down. Somebody is asking the previous slides. You can copy these equations. Stop recording.